Hi, my name is Irene and this is Sewverse, a channel all about sewing, fashion and when I get the chance, decorating. I've learned to sew on my own, but with each video there's still some little details to polish or new stuff to learn as well. I love everything about mending and upcycling stuff to make the most of what you have and to add bits of your personality to your projects. Of course, I also like sewing pattern magazines. And tracing my own patterns from my block of measurements. So if you like sewing, either if you're a beginner or if you just want new ideas for new projects, consider subscribing because I'm sure we'll have fun.
A mí te quedó muy bien.